Hi dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share a full day of eating that is actually plant-based. I'm trying to have more plant-based days within my week and of course incorporating more plant-based meals throughout my days. So I'm starting out with my first meal being avocado toast. This is my favorite bread. Oh my gosh, it's so good, from Trader Joe's. And I just like to toast up the bread and of course just mash the avocado, and to make it not so basic, I'll add some fun toppings to it. So I've been doing intermittent fasting for a little while now, so my first meal usually is around 11:30 to 12 o'clock. My favorite thing to put on my avocado toast is tomatoes. I think the combination is so fresh and juicy. Of course, I'll also add a little bit of like a plant-based mayo to add a nice creamy layer. And then I'll top it off with some pink salt, some black pepper, some onion salt, some garlic. Just mix it up and have fun with it. The next meal that I'm having is going to be an acai bowl, which is one of my favorites. I've been craving these recently. I love just anything fresh. So I'm starting out with some frozen bananas in my blender cup. And I like to add some additional fruit to this just to cut through the bitter taste of the acai. So I'm going to add some mixed berries. I believe there's cherry in this as well. And I've defrosted my acai in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And I'm going to add a splash of almond milk to this, you guys. That is the trick to making it thick and creamy, is to not add too much liquid. It does take a little bit more time to blend it, but it is so worth it in the end. Oh my gosh, look at that creaminess. It's definitely the frozen bananas as well, which will add a nice bit of sweetness to the flavor. So this is my favorite part, is deciding what toppings I want to add to my acai bowl. This could be different every single day, but of course just use whatever it is that you have on hand. So I'm just going to smooth this out into my bowl. And some of my favorite toppings right now are cacao nibs. If you guys love superfoods, this is the perfect lunch. Cacao is full of magnesium and antioxidants. I also love coconut right now, and of course chia seeds for your healthy fats and a little bit of energy boost. And I'm also going to use a ripe banana just to add some more fresh fruit. And yes, Leroy loves bananas. Now, I've been trying to eat better snacks and not reach for things like potato chips. So recently I've found a love for almonds and just like savory nuts. I love salty foods, so I'm definitely going to recommend these almonds to you guys from Trader Joe's. They're 50% less salted. I'm also a big fan of the salt and peppered pistachios. This has a little bit of spice to it. And also these barbecue ones in the back. Oh my gosh, so good. So for dinner, I decided I wanted to do a bean chili. This is very similar to my regular chili recipe, but I took out the meat products. So I like to use this McCormick chili mix in the hot. It is so freaking good, you guys. And I made enough of this to last me the whole week. So I'm using black beans, pinto beans, and kidney beans, as well as some corn, just to really make it nice and hearty. And I love this because all I have to do is throw everything in a pot, so the cleanup is super minimal and it cooks up so fast and it tastes really good if you guys are looking for a very comforting, filling meal. So I left that to simmer for about 30 minutes while I prepped some sweet potatoes. I also made a little bit of this to have throughout the week as well. So, I mean, I've done this recipe so many times. I'm sure you guys know how I do it, but this is what they're looking like. And before bed, I always like to relax with a good cup of tea. So I just open up my drawer and decide what mood I'm in. So tonight it was the stress relief with the honey lavender. I love the Yogi brand. They always have super cute messages and kind of uplifts your spirit a little bit. So I'm just gonna grab one of these. Sometimes I'll do 2 tea bags if I love a good strong brew, but tonight we kept it super simple. So I hope that you dolls enjoyed my what I eat in a day that is plant-based. If you would like to see more videos like this, definitely comment down below. And oh my gosh, I forgot I had my Cliff Bar as well. These are dairy-free and plant-based, and this is my favorite flavor if you guys love salty and sweet. Tastes like cookie dough and I'm actually obsessed. So until next time, I'll catch you dolls in my next vlog.